figures by holding up 0? I don't know. I'm Sophia.
I'm Manuela. And I'm Isabella.
And we are
Nanycrafts Girls.
This is part 2 of our video.
Well, just welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back, really. And Isabella. Sorry, you can go.
Sophia is going to be blindfolded today. And for our last creation, I made this beautiful fluffy slime.
I got Oobleck. I'm making Oobleck. Just a fun fact, Oobleck is hard to mix.
Yeah,
so, it's going to be hard for me to mix.
Yeah, it's because, like, when you move it and stuff like that, it's like it's soft. It's a soft. And you really have to mix it up.
So it's really fun.
So, we're going to start making it. Yeah. So, Mommy. And if you didn't,
Bye-bye, slime.
Well, if you didn't watch our first video, all of these 3 videos are about friendship.
No, teamwork.
Teamwork.
Because I'm going to be blindfolded and I had to trust in them and make sure that they help me get the ingredients so I won't mess up.
Yes. Oh, wait, so, do you know the order? It doesn't matter. So, let's get started. Okay, we are back. And I'm going to do Sophia because last time I got my first and I want to do this. But last time I haven't done. Well, I am going to. Ow. Okay, go. Here goes.
No, a little bit harder.
That's not sweet.
It's a little bit too suelto. So if it will fall off. So there, I can't see anything though. There, good. How much figures am I holding up? 0. I don't know. I am so sorry. Alright. So
That's why I do it.
it's okay.
Good, Mama. Let's make something. How much food is it?
So the first thing that I need is my bowl. So where is it?
Okay, to the left. Take a left. No, to the left.
That is my left.
No, sorry, to the right. Wait, to your right. To your right.
There.
To your right. To your right. To the left. Alright, now point. So, to your right again. A little bit more to your right. A little bit more. No, to your right. There you go. There you go. Now take it. Take. Don't be a sloth. Just. Oh, stop it.
Alright, now I need a cup of measurements.
Oh, okay. So, to the left. Right. So, you take it right there.
Is it the cup one or the half a cup?
It's a cup.
You sure? Here says 1 cup.
Yes. It's actually backwards, but yes, it is. It does that.
It's gonna be, I have a feeling I'm gonna make a mess.
Okay, just please.
Okay. Add it. You have nothing in it. Oh yeah, enough. There you go. Manuel. Ah!
Okay.
You added all on the table.
Oh my God.
I need my bowl. Give me my bowl. Give me my bowl.
Your bowl right there.
Alright, I need my water.
Okay, so the left. Actually, you're gonna add the color first. So,
Oh yeah, yeah.
so here. So yeah, again to your left. Okay, stop. There we go. Pick whatever you want.
I just want to use this one. Alright, I need to be careful.
Good choice. Open it here.
I can't open this. I'm scared because I was using an English thread and I got it all over my face.
Well, you won't get it on your eyes for sure. Okay,
No.
Nothing's not added.
Okay,
You want to make sure you don't. Your bowl's right there.
Is it here?
Yes, it's there. Okay, that's it. Water. this. Now we need the water.
No, I need to mix it first. I need to mix it first.
It's okay. We'll mix it.
Did I get the color that I really wanted?
I don't know which color you really wanted.
I wanted the. It was a pink one. I don't think it was. I don't know.
There's two.
Did I get purple?
No, you do not get purple. And it was still looks white.
I need more powder. Makeup powder? Where is it? Thank you. Why did I close it? I need to open it again.
Oh, don't look at that stuff. Sorry, but.
My bowl's here, right?
Yes, your bowl's there. Alright. This. Oh, yeah, yes, your bowl is there.
No, I was decorating it off. Does it need more? Wait, don't close it. Oh, whatever.
Oh my gosh. I just don't want to keep it open because my hands are dirty. Oh. I think you're gonna need more. Still looks just white.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. Did you close the thing? No,
Thing?
it's open. Okay. Okay. Right to your left. Down, right there. Right there. Right there. Now don't drag your fingers over here, else we'll just make a lot of mess.
Is this
That's it. Even, okay, I see your problem. Flip over your, mixing thing. Yeah, there we go. Now start. Oh!
Does it still look really white?
Yeah. Oh!
Does it?
Just quick.
Wait, does it look really white?
Yes, it does. What do you think? People, move your hands, move your hands, move your hands. Like I said. It looks pink. No, it looks white. Yeah. It just doesn't look white.
Where is the makeup powder?
Look
Does it look
at mine.
good? Does this look good?
Oh yeah, that looks like a good texture.
Alright, so now I need the water. I need the half a cup thing first.
Okay.
My hands feel so weird.
My hands feel weird. Oh, now it looks pink. Oh my.
Alright, where's the
Okay,
half a
to
cup?
your left. Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, you feel it. Now the water. I wish I could use the water to clean
Here?
Yes.
Haha, that easy. I think I'm so.
Slow and steady, okay?
Alright, so I'm gonna move my bowl a little bit this way. Because I bet I am literally gonna spill the water everywhere.
Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's it.
My bowl's here,
Spill
right?
some on the table. At least it will.
Okay, let's just
help.
mix. Where's my spatula? Does it need more cornstarch?
I don't think so.
Last
video. No, kind of because you spilled every bit of cornstarch on the table.
I think it needs more cornstarch. Where's the cornstarch?
Okay, you're spilling everything on the table.
Where's the cornstarch?
Okay, it's on the table. This is officially the messiest.
Where's my bowl?
You added. I don't know, but there's still more in there. But
Yeah, I added too much cornstarch. Like way too much. Like look at this.
yes, like
Oh,
you're gonna need the water, but still, you spill half of the water on the floor.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
It's not my fault. I'm blindfolded.
I think I'm gonna do better. It's like the table is the bowl. Yes, completely. You over here. It's like
I didn't laugh at myself.
and it also looks and it also looks like the jar of water. I think it's better for you to get blindfolded and also out of blindfold, okay?
Okay.
I can't do it.
Oh, this is a pretty color.
Look at the floor. Okay, that is what I did. I did it on
mix all of it. I need to make a little bit more water, I think. This is like my best oobleck ever.
But the messiest.
Look, when I like it's kind of like frustrating because whenever you do this, like you're used like when you do it with slime, it like starts stretchy. But when you do this, it just turns so solid. And then you do this, it melts on your hand. So cool. Okay. Wait, no, honey, show them how to put it in my jar.
I can't wait for that.
Neither can I.
Look how much cornstarch you wasted.
Oh my gosh, it was like from the top.
It was at the top. And look how much is on the table. And look how much. Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
The jar.
Alright, I'm so sorry I can't help you guys. But my hands are dirty. And also, like, you know, let's put all the oobleck in there.
Here, can I use my spatula? I barely even use my spatula.
You know what? I cleaned the room. I cleaned the room. I cleaned my mess today. So, yeah.
And it's hard to take out. It's really annoying to take it out.
It's liquid. Alright, so it's my hands. Bye, everyone, because we're gonna have to clean this all up. Bye. So, bye.
See, hopefully, you see next video where Manuela is gonna be making regular slime blindfolded.
I'm not doing, cause yeah, I don't wanna. What? Ciao, ciao, mis amigos. Te veo en el otro video.
You forgot to do your Spanish lesson this video.
I just did.
Okay, I think say so.
Bye. Son muy lindos, pero a mí no me gustan los árboles. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Ciao,
Look,
ciao.
my oobleck.
Gracias, mis amigos. No, ciao, ciao.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophia.